So today I am making an iconic dish called Nobu-Style Sablefish with quick pickles. It was created by Nobu Matsuhisa, who's a famous Japanese chef who made this dish famous all over the world. So let's get started. In a small pot, combine ½ cup each sake, mirin, yellow miso, and granulated sugar. And whisk together to combine. Oops, wrong one. Bring to a simmer and whisk until the sugar and miso are dissolved. Remove the black cod from the packaging and press gently with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Pour the cooled marinade over the fish. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour and up to 12 hours. Thinly slice a cucumber using a mandolin. Grate the ginger into a medium bowl. Add some mirin, some sesame oil, a pinch of sugar, and some toasted sesame seeds. Add a pinch of salt and stir to combine. Add the cucumbers to the bowl. Trim the root ends of the scallions and cut the white and tender green parts into thin slices. Add to the bowl with the cucumbers and toss to combine. Remove the black cod from the marinade and wipe off any excess.
Got the right one.
Only because I saw what that one was. Okay. Add oil to a heated non-stick skillet. Then add the fish, skin side up. Cook for 2 minutes and then turn the fish when deeply browned on the underside. Transfer the skillet to a preheated 400-degree oven to finish cooking. Bake until the fish is cooked through and easily flakes around the edges, about 10 minutes depending on the thickness of the fillet. Spoon steamed jasmine rice into bowls and add the pickled cucumbers. Divide the fillet into 2 portions and serve over the rice. Spoon some of the dressing on top. Ready?
Yeah.
It's so good. This is one of my favorite preparations for sablefish. We have so many other great options on our website. Visit us, sitkasalmonshares.com, for more sablefish recipes, cod, salmon, halibut, you name it. But right now I'm gonna finish my sablefish and I'll see you next time. Bye.